Kasi we are a democracy, right, true, and true. And the right of the people to choose their leaders belongs to the people. And the right also to seek public office is guaranteed under the Constitution. Mahirap kasi lalabas yan, ma'am. Ako, kita mo naman. I was the first one to criticize about dynasty. Little did I know that I created one. Aminin ko, wala man akong magawa. Nandiyan na yan eh. Pero I did not expect na ako, yung si Inday, talagang pinwesto ko to succeed me. Because yung Davao, gumaganda na noon, gumagana na. Malaki na ang gastos ko, sabihin na saan yung mga intelligence man, yan na nga eh. Yan ang nagpaganda ng Davao. You see what Davao now is it that really worth 400 million, 500 million? What you see Davao now, operating as a city with, sa awa ng Diyos, kaintindihan naman tayo dito lahat, mga kapatid natin, Muslim, Christians and all, wala naman tayong terrorism, ayaw naman natin. So, lumago yung progress ng Davao. And in the twilight of my years, you know, after the presidency, hindi ako napunta dyan sa inner city. Kasi Manila Airport lang ako bahay, ganun, for 6 years. Hindi ko kalain na ganun na ang Davao ngayon. Na, Claveria Street, talagang puro ala Makati lang. Although the roads are narrow. Makati is just a new city. Newly created city yan eh. Munisipyo lang yan. So they could... Ang Davao City is an old city. Kaya yung mga streets natin, hindi na tayo pwede mag-expand. But lahat mga malalaking may-ari ng kondong, nandito na sila. Puro